just replaced my rear tire and well, I had a flat, so these you can see the flat tire light came on. Now even after I replaced with a new tire, the light is still staying on. So let's figure out how to clear it. Based on what I understand, that you're supposed to drive for a number of miles and it should clear by itself, but still not. Once you open the glove compartment, let's put the key on here for now, and then turn the, you can see the, oh wait a minute, hang on. Interesting. I did not do anything. It looked like the tire pressure light is gone. But essentially, what you can do is there should be a reset button over there. If you can see, sorry. And basically, you're gonna, with the key on, you're gonna press this. You're gonna press and hold this for like a few seconds. It's gone now, but basically you keep it on, keep pressing it for like, okay, it's gone now for a few seconds, and see that light came on and then it went away. So that's how you reset the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, after you basically inflated your tire or you replace your tire and things like that. Hope it helps, and we'll see you folks on the next video. I think the hard part is to locate the button after you open the glove compartment. So that's the trick. Alrighty, have a great day, and please click like if you find this video helpful, and we'll see you folks on the next video. As you can see, no more light. I'll just do a little bit of test drive here. It's gone now. Thanks for watching.